members of the judiciary fraternity, JS elders, mediators, justice champions, Mheshimiwa Charity Kisoto.
AGS is a game changer, Madam Chief Justice, in this region. You know, as a pastoral community, we've been used to AGS since immemorial. Now that it has been formalized as a formal alternative justice system, I know our people will not move to formal court because our people love dealing with their dispute amicably without creating acrimony and hatred among themselves.
The people of Isiolo deserve services the same way the people of Meru or Nairobi or any other county deserve.